In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to update Android TV firmware. This guide is for general Android TVs, and I will show you how to upgrade the firmware on your Android TV manually. Ensure your Android TV is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Go to Menu, Home, Help or Settings on your TV. The exact location might vary depending on your TV's manufacturer or model. Select Status and Diagnostics, or a similar option. Then choose System Software Update. Grant permissions for the system to update the firmware, and wait for the update process to complete without interrupting it by pressing buttons or turning off the TV. And that's it. Always refer to your TV's manual or the manufacturer's website for specific instructions tailored to your TV model. And avoid interrupting the update process or powering off the TV during firmware installation to prevent potential damage. And check for firmware updates regularly to keep your Android TV up to date with the latest features and improvements. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.